Hello, Facebook and YouTube. Today on how Hugh works on his Harbor Freight teardrop camper. I got some new little vintage leveling bubbles that I'm going to put on the little Harbor Freight teardrop camper. So let me show you what those look like. These are made by HOPPY, made in the USA. Not sure what date they are. They look like 80s or 90s. Picked them up off of eBay, so I'm going to put them on. Let's see what the back looks like. Instructions. And if I zoom in on the date, it's either 87 or 97. So that's how we put them on. So let's see how level my trailer is already. So here's the box, left to right. And that's just sitting pretty darn level. Let's see what the back looks like. Okay, so I got my vintage mechanical pencil. Just got some leads from the other day. This one belonged to my dad. And yeah, so it's kind of a sentimental one. So 22 1/4, make a little mark. And that's where we're going to want this edge at. And before I go pressing it down too hard, let's measure it from the other side, make sure this is really where we want it. And that is 22 1/4. Let's get it straight. Okay, now the key is going to be to get make sure those screw heads aren't too big. Those screw heads too big? Oh, they're close. We'll try them. Nope, they're just right. Okay, so let's look at that. Okay, there we go. It is level side to side. Pretty darn good. Cool. Let's figure out how to make it level front to back. But before we do anything, let's clean that poor little solar panel. Oh my goodness. Or somebody calls the solar panel patrol on me. There we go. Okay, that's better. So let's balance this thing front to back. Okay, so it looks like it needs to come up just a tiny bit in the front. That is pretty darn close to level. So I'm gonna check it on the other side just to be sure too. That is pretty darn close to level too. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the little device. I'll do a quick walk around the trailer. So there's the relocation of the dolly trailer jack thing. Here's the plug. Box. Touched up the paint just a little bit. Still not a good paint. I'm going to get some kind of graphics for it, like little mountain scenes, maybe a stencil. There's one of the trailer lights. Need to order a lighted frame for the license plate. I didn't like the way the license plate mounted with the little lights. It made it all cattywampus. There's the other light. Clean solar panel. Little HOPPY level. Fenders, door. Another little HOPPY level. The seal didn't turn out too bad on that. And then here's the Harbor Freight trailer dolly. Helps me move that thing around the yard. Okay, that's about it for now. Need to work on the awning. And I have a rug I'm cleaning up that I rescued from my mom's house. So, okay, that's about it. Out.